Hi, today we will make some kimchi. So let's see the ingredients. We will need salt, cabbage, radish, carrots, some spring onions, garlic, 1 onion, ginger, fish sauce, some shrimp paste, Korean chili flakes, and for a porridge some sugar and glutinous rice flour. So these are the ingredients. So first I like to slice the cabbage in half. Then in half again. Then I will wash it in water so it's a bit wet. I will salt the cabbage between every leaf. You need to use not your desired salt for this, and you can use a bit more salt near the stem. Okay, now the cabbage is salted. This will start the fermentation process and we can continue making the rice porridge. Put a cup of water, cold water, into a pot with approximately 2 tablespoons of glutinous rice powder. Mix it well. Until it's diluted. Then bring this to a simmer. And also you can add half a tablespoon of sugar. It starts thickening, so simmer it for a while. After a few minutes of stirring, you can turn it off and let it cool down. Don't forget to rotate the cabbage every 30 minutes until 2 hours. Meanwhile, you can cut the vegetables. In a mortar and pestle, we will grind the ginger, the garlic, and the onions. You can add a little bit of salt so it's grinding more easily. And pound it to a paste. When the paste is ready, transfer it to a bowl. Next you add the rice porridge. Now you can add the fish sauce. Half a tablespoon of shrimp paste. And a few cups of Korean chili flakes. Now we can mix it to a paste. Mine needs a little bit more of chili flakes. Okay, now we can add the carrots. The scallions. The radish I will add later on when putting in a jar. I have some leftover kimchi juice here in the jar, so I will use it also. It will help the fermentation process. So now let's combine it. So you take cabbage. Oh, I forgot to cut out. You need to wash the cabbage and cut out the stems. So little correction. Okay, so it's ready. So now let's stuff the cabbage. So you take some of your marinade with the vegetables and start putting it inside of every leaf. So layer it with that sauce and vegetables. So it's fully covered. The delicious kimchi sauce. When you have it stuffed, then make a ball of it and put it inside the jar. And continue with the process until every cabbage is stuffed. You can put few radishes meanwhile there. If you have some leftover vegetables, you put it in on the top. And we have a beautiful jar of kimchi ready. Watch. When it's ready, you can put it in some place where it will ferment for about a week. We will check on it. After 6 days, we are taste testing this with my friend Julian.
Hi.
So let's taste it.
Okay, I'm gonna try the radish first. It's kind of spongy. Okay. It's very sour. Much more than mine, but
I left the water from the last batch,
yeah,
so it fermented faster.
yeah, it's very sour, but it's good. I like it when it's more sour. And still crunchy. It's good.
Yeah, it's really good recipe.
Because when you want to do it like more sour, then you keep it in there for like 2 weeks, it's not crunchy anymore because it's like, you know, like mud. But this is very, very, very sour, but very crunchy and fresh. So it's great.
Yeah, and if you don't like so much sourness, you can taste it after the second or third day. And if you like it, you just put it in the refrigerator and
stop the fermentation.
Stop the fermentation process, right? And I like it more sour because I use it also for cooking, and I like the sour taste. So, but it's up to you. It's on you how you like it. If you like it more sweet or sour, you leave it 3 days, 4 days, 6 days, or even more if you like the funky taste.
Yeah, it's great. It's great, and it's very strange to have it this sour and this fresh, you know, in the same time. It's very unusual.
Nice. Thank you. So you can try it at home.
Yeah, it's great.
Have a great day.
Bye.